Bitcoin falls down to 65K. With the bears having momentum, do the bulls still have a chance to rally back above 80K, or is this the end? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 3 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at $67,630. We're starting off here with the weekly chart. We have 4 days and 4 hours before this candle closes, and right now if we stay below the 100 moving average, I have to say that we are bearish. The 100 moving average is currently at 87,398. We're very close to the 200 moving average at 58,223. I currently have the weekly chart in a head and shoulder pattern that could actually break us down below 30K. In order to stop that for a while at least, we would have to get above that 100 moving average. We head over to the 6-day chart. This candle closes today in the next 4 hours, and we have a green candle here. The 200 moving average is at 63,926. This is actually the last line of defense that we have before we fall to the 200 moving average on the weekly. So it's imperative that we stay above this 200 moving average on the 6-day chart. If we could close like this could be tweezer bottoms, and this could help us boost back up to about the 100 moving average at around 91K. We'll probably be lower eventually by the time we get there. Now, I keep telling you guys we are far away from the 21 moving average, so that could help us go up. Now, the only thing I'm not liking is that the stochastics RSI are on the way down, but if we could close with these tweezer bottoms, that will be slightly bullish for the time being. Now, on the 3-day chart, this candle also closes in the next 4 hours. Right now we're getting a red candle. The stochastics are pointing up. That's the only thing that I'm seeing that looks pretty good here. On the 2-day chart, stochastics are also pointing up. Again, we're far away from the 21 moving average at 85K. On the daily chart, I'm seeing a flag here, and this flag could bring us up to the 21 moving average. That's at $78,000. Now, the stochastics here kind of look like they could roll over. They could still curve back up. The RSI is like in between as well. Now, even if we get back up to the 21 moving average, that will not satisfy me. We would have to get up higher than the 21 moving average, because we could just get to the 78K and then roll over from there. I would like us to break above 80K with strength so that we could try to make at least to 85K before further downside. Now, the 22-hour chart, you see the stochastics are rolling over. We haven't been able to get above the 21 moving average. Same thing goes for the 12-hour chart. 8-hour chart is still on the way down with the stochastics RSI. We could see that we've been riding underneath the 21 moving average. We haven't even gotten a wick above it. That's not looking too good. Now, if we head over to the 4-hour chart, the stochastics are low. It looks like we're on the way up. Again, week overs roll over. Yesterday, I thought we were on the way up, and we ended up rolling over here. Now, I'm still seeing this inverted head and shoulder here. We haven't gotten below this head, and that's basically at 60K. So if I put on the patterns, you can see a complex inverted head and shoulder. Measure move takes us at least to this 200 moving average at 84K. We're still in the running for this. This is the only bullish thing that I'm seeing at the moment, at least to make a move up higher. Doesn't mean that eventually we won't fall down to 40K, 50K, 60K again, even lower. If you guys are lost in the process of trading and you're not sure how to create patterns, you're not sure where to take profits, when to get in, check out the FlexCandle beginner course, where you learn to read the candles and flex the moves. Right now, for a limited time, I have it at a 50% discount. Check out the link in the description and get your digital course today. Now, on the 1-hour chart, stochastics are on the way up, but we're getting toppy, and we're fighting to stay above this 21 moving average. That's currently at 67,327. We're only right now above it by like around $130. That's not much. Now, on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are toppy, but I'm seeing some type of a double bottom here. 1 bottom, 2 bottom. If this plays out, this could give us a measured move, taking us to pretty much back to 71,633, basically where we were yesterday. Nothing crazy, but at least we would be back above the 70K level. And if we could stay above 70K, then we could have that range between 70 and 80K. Right now we're below 70K, so now we could fall back down to 60K pretty easily if we're not careful. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.